Izzy.
No, no!
Oh, it is for Isabella, Jan.
Yeah.
Pippa! It's Pippa. Well, get the card too. Oh my goodness, Isabella. Oh, it's Pippa. What do you say? You're going to sleep with her. What do you say?
What's this?
Jan, it's a Lego keyring. Oh my goodness. Which one is it? Which one is it? Oh, get out of town. You don't have that one. That's awesome.
That guy. There's a girl as a robot. Yay! And a police. Yeah. And
Have you got 3 little men in there?
No. Yes.
Wow. James, we can put that keychain on your backpack.
What keychain is it?
Oh! It's a flashlight.
Really? And Mom, look what I have.
What is it? What is it?